guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a very much requested video, and that is a what's on my MacBook Pro. Now before I get into this video, I want to say yes, I am wearing the same exact shirt I was wearing in my last video that I posted. That is because all these videos are pre-filmed on the same exact day because I'm going away, so I needed to have these videos uploaded. With that, be sure to subscribe to my channel because that means a lot of going away travel videos are coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy them because I love travel videos and I think you guys do too. Let me know down below. If you guys do want to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, it would be really appreciated because it helps my channel grow so much. And I also answer every single comment down below, so might as well leave me a comment so we can chat. Since all of that has now been said, let's just get into this video of what's on my MacBook Pro. The first thing that I want to talk about is the case that I have. So I got this skin on Amazon around 3 days ago and I absolutely love it. It's just this flora, like mimosa little case, and it does have the vents in the back. I will list it down below. I found this off of Julia K. Chris's channel and I was like, you know what, that's so cute, so I'm gonna get it. So credit does go to her for recommending this case to me. I will definitely leave it in the description box down below along with her channel because I don't know, I just feel like it's necessary to put people's channel even if I just got a MacBook case that they recommended, so I'll leave her video down below as well. I really like this and would recommend it like so much. Now I'm just going to get into what is actually on my laptop. So for those of you who don't know, I do have the 13-inch MacBook Pro in space gray, and I have the 2019 version and I absolutely love it. So when I open it, I obviously just see the screen, and I will be screen recording so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, so the first thing that I see when I look at my laptop is this little background. Now my background does tend to change. I have it on a rotation of 3 every 30 seconds, I believe. All of these except one of the collages are from Julia K. Chris's website. She has a website along with a customization video, so that is the video I will link down below for you guys. It is amazing, so if you want to see like how I did certain things and everything like that, I do recommend going over to her channel because hers is way more descriptive and I'm not just going to restate what she said. So go watch her video if you are interested in how I got certain things such as this background. It is hers. She has a free graphics website, so you guys can definitely just get it for free off of her website, so I will link that down below as well. As you can see, it just changed and I love this one. It just says make today happy, and then the last one is the only one that you cannot get off her website, but she has one similar to it. I basically just made the collage off of Canva. I have a video on that. I'll have it on the screen right here, but she also has a customization video on it and it basically says the same thing. I got that idea off of her channel and I did give her credit in that video as well. I just don't want anyone coming at me thinking that I didn't give her credit because I always give people credit if I got advice from them or ideas from them. So that is the first thing. The background of my laptop is amazing, so credit to you, Julia. If you're watching this, I love you. And I don't know, it just makes me happy, especially when they rotate. Oh, it just rotated. This is the one that I made. The next thing that I have on my laptop that honestly a lot of you probably know about is sticky notes. So what you can do if you don't know how to find sticky notes is you can go to your launch pad and you can type in at the top just sticky, and it'll come up and then you just press it and you will have a sticky note. Since I already have it on my laptop, I do have it right here. It obviously didn't pop up, but if you guys are new to it, they will pop up when you hit the sticky notes. I also have it down here in this little home bar, so that's always nice as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new sticky note because the one that I already have has all my YouTube ideas on it, so I don't wanna show that to you guys just yet because they're unique and I think you guys will really like them, so stay tuned for that. But when you click new note, you're just gonna see the sticky note appear. What's cool is you can change the color, so you would just go up here to color and you can change it to blue, you can change it to pink, or you can change it to gray. I usually do gray because it matches my backgrounds a little more cleaner and I love things to be simple and more clean. I actually have no idea what this is, so I'm just gonna put that down there because I don't know what that is. Anyways, the other thing you can do is you can change the font. So you can go up here to font and you can do show fonts and just change it to any one that you would like. So that's something really cool as well. You can kind of make it your own and customize it. I usually just use sticky notes for my YouTube video ideas, or when I'm in school, I will write my assignments that I have to get done for that day. But since I'm not in school right now, that's obviously not something I need to do. The next thing I want to say is if you want to minimize the sticky note, you just hit this little square on the right side and it just minimizes it. And if you want to delete it, you hit the square on the right side and then it just deletes. Now, those two things are the main things that I have on my MacBook Pro that I feel like are worth mentioning. The other things that I can talk about is I use Final Cut Pro. So Final Cut Pro is literally my best friend. I use it for all of my videos. It is expensive, but I do really recommend it. It's a one-time payment of $300. If you are a student, I know that Final Cut Pro does offer a student bundle. So I do recommend trying it out. There is a trial on Final Cut Pro, so if you are thinking of investing in it, I would definitely try it out first to make sure it is for you, because it's definitely not for everyone. I did have Adobe Premiere and it was just too complicated for me to understand how to use, so I feel like personally, in my own opinion, Final Cut Pro is the best that works for me and the best for beginners, just because Adobe Premiere is very difficult, but again, that is in my own opinion. And then next to that, I have Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, I personally like way more than Safari. On Google Chrome, you can customize the background of Google. I didn't do that, but I think it's kind of cool that you can do that. Julia mentions that in her video, so you guys can just go over to her channel and watch that if you want to know how to, because again, I'm not just gonna repeat what she states, because that's not cool. If you do that, please don't do that. It makes creators upset when you do that. It's happened to me, so please don't do that. Anyways, the next thing you can do is add bookmarks. So basically, I'm gonna just show you guys how to add one. If I type in Canva, and I really like having Canva and I use it a lot, what I can do is I can go to the star up here and I can just name it anything. You can name it your name, you can name it an emoji, whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it Canva, and then you hit done. And basically what it does is then it saves to your bookmarks on your Google Chrome. And then I'm gonna come over here, and as you guys can see, Canva is now here, and you just click it, and it's a quick, easy way that'll take you straight to Canva. Bookmarks are really good to have on Safari just because I feel like it is a really good way to get somewhere really quick. I also do have it for my YouTube, so I can just click YouTube right here, and it'll take me right to YouTube. You can use this for so many things, so I do recommend it if you don't use that already. Next, moving along over here, I obviously just have my system preferences, which is settings. Then I have the Apple Store. I don't really use the App Store that much. I only use it when I downloaded Google Chrome and Final Cut Pro. I don't use my Mac for that much other than editing and stuff for YouTube, and that is because during the school year I have a computer that was actually given to me by my school. It's a like ThinkPad computer, and that is where I do all my schoolwork, so that's why I don't have Word or any of the Microsoft programs on here. I am thinking of getting the Adobe Lightroom on here. I don't really know how to do presets on here because I have them on my phone, so I don't know how to like link them, so I do have to figure that out, but that is something I am thinking of getting. Next, I have Apple TV. I don't really use it, I just leave it there. Then I have my podcast. Again, I don't use that either. Then I have music. I don't have an Apple Music membership. I have Spotify, so honestly, I should download the Spotify app, but I kind of just listen to Spotify on my phone, so I just didn't find it necessary. The only other thing I really use is FaceTime. I FaceTime my friends a lot during the school year to do homework with them, and I just find it a lot easier to use it on my MacBook rather than my phone, because then my phone is running out of battery and everything like that, and it's just easier to have my MacBook plugged in so then I can use my phone for other things. iMessage is next. I don't use iMessage on my computer because I personally don't like it. I feel like it's a distraction and I prefer to just have the messages come to my phone. Next, I have pictures. I literally don't use this either. Then I have the calendar. I personally use Google Calendar instead of the calendar that comes on the MacBooks, so I kind of just disregard that. For contacts, I did sync my contacts into my computer just because I'm terrified of losing all of them because I have so many. So I just felt like it was necessary to have it as kind of like a backup. Then I have mail. I don't really use this mail just because I have Gmail and I use everything on my phone for the most part. Then I have my Launchpad, then I have Siri, and then I have the Finder. So basically that's really all I use for my MacBook. I know I'm gonna get questions on this question mark. This used to be Pages, but I was running out of room on my MacBook one day and I was getting so frustrated, so I tried to delete it and now there's just this question mark there. I don't know how to get rid of it. I've tried hitting delete, I've tried dragging it to the trash can. It doesn't go away, so I just leave it there because it's not bothering me. I just kind of wish I didn't delete it, but I don't use it, so it's fine. And then the only other thing that I want to add to this is I do use the screen recording on my MacBook. Now, a lot of people don't know that screen recording is a thing on MacBooks. Like, it's not as easy to find. Basically, it's something called like Quick Finder or something like that. And basically a easy way to get to that is you just hit Command-Shift-5 at the same time, and then a camera is gonna pop up. You're gonna click the screen recording thing, and then you're just gonna click the screen and it's gonna record. I don't know if there's an easier way to do it. That's just how I do it. I would show you, but I'm screen recording right now, so I can't like exit out of it or it'll stop the screen recording. But that is how you do it, and I do use that on my Mac as well. With all that being said, that's literally about all I use my MacBook for. So there's nothing else I can really tell you guys. Again, I will have this case listed in the description box down below if it is something that you guys do want to pick up. And be sure to check out Julia's channel. It's amazing. She has really good technology videos and lifestyle content, so I do recommend her. It'll again be in the description box down below as well. If you guys did like this video, I would love it if you could stick around and subscribe and join my family. I do answer every single comment, so if you stayed up until this point, leave me a comment, let me know, and everything like that, because I do appreciate it, and every comment and every thumbs up that you give really does help my videos get recognized by other people. So just know how much I really appreciate it, and if you guys did want to do that, it would be amazing. Again, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see any more Apple content from me, definitely let me know down below and I will see what I can do. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.